Welcome back to CryptoJet, where today we're going to be talking about another coin, which is Ethereum Classic. Now, this is probably one of the most useless coins I've seen on the market. It is a fork of Ethereum itself, which means that it is supposedly supposed to be a better version of Ethereum, but it's pretty useless in my opinion. It's supposed to make Ethereum better, but I don't really understand the true concept of it. So if you go on the website right here, you can see that it is here for, building unstoppable applications and doing a lot of other interesting stuff. They do promote, the unaltered history of the original Ethereum chain, where, they're promoting a decentralized ecosystem, permissionless network. Wow, untampered ledger since 2016 or 15, Ethereum Classic Genesis block. Wow, and unstoppable, so it is censorship resistant, and also executes contracts exactly as programmed. So it is pretty cool in theory, but in actual use cases, Ethereum is just blowing it out of the water. Why? Because everybody's using Ethereum. Who is using Ethereum Classic? I have no idea, and I don't even know why it exists. But just for the sake of argument, we're going to be talking about it today. So as you can see, the market cap is at around $4 billion. When it comes to the price action, I was doing a little review on Ethereum itself, so I do recommend you take a look at that. But if you do type ETC USDT on TradingView, you can see some interesting stuff. I would probably call this one of the ugliest charts I've ever seen in my life. I don't really know what to do with this information right here. In the more recent times, we can see a death cross of some sort. So death cross is when the 50-period moving average, or my orange line, crosses beneath the 200-period moving average, or the yellow line. And when that happens, it's a very, very bearish signal. And what we can see right here is a very strong bearish candle on the daily time frame. So yesterday's candle was very bearish. Today we're just continuing it, and we're going to close in an hour, and we're going to see how we're going to actually close. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we still haven't really broken the significant zone of support right here. So I will be waiting for a break of this zone if we're going to confirm the down move. So something like this. And then that will confirm a down move for me personally. Now, I'm not going to be covering any sort of news event in today's video, but what I did want to talk about is the global crypto market cap. So we can see it growing to around 2.3 trillion, falling down, growing once again to the 2.8 trillion mark, 2.9. We were just there, almost 3 trillion, and then we fell down again. But we're currently on the way down. However, it is possible that we do continue towards more upside, although it is very unlikely, since the inflation problem is going to be solved by, obviously, the Fed and other countries stopping, the money printer from going and essentially stopping stimulus packages. And with stimulus, slowing down, tapering, arising, and all of that stuff, the market will not have as much cash actually flowing into it, which will result in a slower rising market, or a market that will be entering some sort of a correction. So as you can see on Bitcoin's chart, it's very abundantly clear that we are in desperate need for some sort of a correction. So why do I have this here? Is because it's possible that we do actually bottom out at this area and continue moving towards more upside. But we are still bearish, right? Even though we did break out of this trend line, we are still very much so bearish. And why is that? Well, we didn't break the previous zone of resistance, and until we do, we're still going to be bearish. So if we do something like this, so let's say price moves like this, that's going to be a bullish sign, right? And then we can take long positions. But if we just continue as we are right now, we got to wait and see what's going to happen at this zone down here. If it does provide significant support, which it should, since it is a very significant support, we could just rocket towards the upside. But if we do break out towards the downside, the next level is the 20K mark, and that's going to be my personal accumulation zone. So that's it for today's video. I would really appreciate it if you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, do some of that stuff. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Actually, let me ask you a question. Tell me, would you prefer me to do the technical analysis at the start of the video or at the end of the video? Drop it in the comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios.